Converting from Xero to QuickBooks Online can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to move your accounting system from Xero to QuickBooks Online without losing any of your data or valuable insights. Whether you're switching because of scalability, features, or simply wanting a more user-friendly interface, we'll break it down so that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident about the switch. To start, QuickBooks Online is a more versatile platform for small and medium businesses, and it provides better automation, detailed reporting, and easier collaboration. But before diving into the conversion process, it's essential to understand the main differences between Xero and QuickBooks Online. While Xero excels in its global reach and simple user interface, QuickBooks Online offers a deeper integration with other financial tools and tax options tailored specifically for US-based businesses. Keep this in mind as you move forward with your transition. First, ensure that your Xero account is up to date. It's essential to reconcile your bank transactions and finalize your financial statements before beginning the migration. A clean, balanced system will make the conversion smoother and help avoid issues later on. Next, QuickBooks Online offers a couple of ways to import data, but most users choose to manually migrate their financial records. You'll need to export your Xero data in a format that's compatible with QuickBooks Online. Xero allows you to export your data to Excel or CSV files, including your trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet reports. These are key documents that you'll use to set up your accounts in QuickBooks. Once you have these files, it's time to set up your QuickBooks Online account. QuickBooks has an intuitive setup process that guides you through creating your company profile, setting up accounts, and entering your financial data. You can either import data using their file upload tool or manually enter the details. If you're migrating transactions, you can use QuickBooks Online's import tool for bank statements, invoices, and other financial records. This helps you save time and reduces manual entry errors. Keep in mind that you'll need to match your accounts in QuickBooks with your Xero data carefully to ensure that everything aligns correctly. Another tip to ensure a successful migration is reviewing your chart of accounts. QuickBooks Online's chart of accounts can be customized, but it's a good idea to keep it simple and ensure it mirrors your Xero accounts as closely as possible. This makes your financial reporting more accurate and straightforward after the conversion. Lastly, after importing your data and verifying the accuracy, you should double-check your tax settings in QuickBooks Online. If you're used to the tax structures in Xero, make sure to adapt them properly for QuickBooks tax settings, especially if you have specific tax needs for your business. By following these steps, you'll have successfully moved your data from Xero to QuickBooks Online. The best part? You can try QuickBooks Online completely free with the exclusive bonuses available through the link in the description below. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to test out its full features and see if it's the right fit for your business. Now, if you're new to QuickBooks Online, remember that the software also offers powerful reporting and analytics features. If you want to dive deeper into using QuickBooks Online to its full potential, make sure to check out our other videos where we cover everything from invoice customization to tax filing. To recap, to convert Xero to QuickBooks Online, ensure your data is clean, export it correctly, import it into QuickBooks Online, and then double-check your settings to ensure a smooth transition. Don't forget to check out our exclusive and extended free trial for QuickBooks Online in the description below. Now that you know how to move your business from Xero to QuickBooks Online, you can make the switch with confidence, happy accounting, and good luck with your business.